Yo, 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 it's your boy C. It's now the Certificial. Welcome back to the channel. If this your first time, welcome. Those who've been following me on my entrepreneurial journey, y'all are already familiar with me. If you're new to the channel, my name is C. I'm an entrepreneur, and if you read the title, of course you know why you're here. I'm now in barber school, and I'm gonna take you guys on that journey with me as well. So yeah, we're just gonna get into my barber kit. My first and second kit. I've been in school for a month and a half now, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got. All right, we're gonna start with the Andes T outliners. I'm not really giving my review on them, but I'll touch on it a little bit. It's cool. They cool. Not my favorites. You know what I mean? I'll show you what I got in the kit. Then I'll show you my my personal travel kit when I go out and cut clients' hair. So yep. Yeah. And these T-liners. Secondly, well, seniors, it's a good clipper. I like them. I actually like these a lot. I have the cordless version of these, but we'll get into that when I show you. Like I said, when I show you my personal travel kit. Yeah, the wall seniors. I like them. Those are the clippers that I got the wall seniors and the Andes T outliners. That came in my first kit. I'm not gonna get into the if you've been to barber school, you get the mannequin head and your capes and your drapes and stuff like that. I'm not gonna get into all that today. I'm just getting into the clippers. And I go to barber school in Baltimore, which is in Maryland. So everybody's I understand everybody's kit isn't the same, and it varies from state to state. In Maryland, you need 1,200 hours, and of course you got to take the state board exam. You only get three clippers total. You get 2 in your first kit, and you get of course you get your blade clippers, which is the a lot of people are used to the Oysters 76, the 76s. These are the Ultra Edge BGRCs, Andes. These can also be converted to cordless. I haven't actually used these yet, so I couldn't give you a review on them if I wanted to. I haven't used them yet, but I plan on using them soon. I like them. They got some weight to them. They have some power to them. I just can't wait to actually use them. And if you can't tell, these boxes are already empty, but I'm going to get into the clippers in a second and show you exactly what the kit looks like. So yeah, right now I'm on my barber's journey. If you know me personally, then you know that I've always been a creative. I've dibbled and dabbled in cutting the hair for up 10 years. So it's nothing new to me, and it would be nothing new to, you know, those who personally know me. So yeah, we're gonna get into the kit. Right here. All right, so here we go. The case. Let's crack it open, see what we got. This is kit 1 and 2 from barber school. Okay, so like I showed you previously, these are the Andes T outliners. You know, feels great in the hand, and it's been around for a long time, and a lot of people love them. I can't knock them. Just not my favorites, like I stated before. But yeah, and here you got the Wall Seniors. Another great product, man. Like I stated, I actually love these, man. They fit in the hand well. Got some power to them, removes bulk well. Fade impeccable. I love them. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not here to actually review the clippers, but that's just my personal opinion. And here we got these. These are blade clippers. The Andes VGRCs, detachable blade. Again, I haven't actually cut these yet. They feel good. Like I said, I know a lot of people are used to the Oasis 76s. With great reason. I understand. I have cut with those before. But yeah, I can't wait to cut with these. They feel good. Yeah, I just can't wait to put them to use. Outside of that, we got of course we got our blades. I mean we got our guards, 1 through 8. Our half guards here. Blades. I'll keep these blades over here because these are all the blades I need to actually do a blend or fade. A 1A, 1.5, the OA, and 2. But it also came with the 3.5. And a 5 out. This blade here is this is almost like a trimmer. This will get you real close. So yeah, got those. Of course, I have a few combs, brushes, razor holder, my thinning shears, my 6-inch regular shears. Let's see what else I got for you guys, man. Mirror. And yeah, some clipper oil, neck strip holder, They give you this. Oh, a few other things. Give me a second. Yep, a few other things they give you. I'm not gonna get into everything like I said before, but of course you know you need your cool care, cool those blades down, disinfect, all that good stuff, lubricate. Some oil sheen, K2 oil sheen, which is a brand I actually like. Mainly for natural hair. Horsehair, I like it a lot. And that's pretty much the stuff they give you in your kit. Some talcum powder. You know, just your basics. Pretty much your basics. Get all your basics here in your kit. So, if you're thinking about going to barber school, if you're in barber school, and you're waiting to get that second kit, you know, these are the things that you may be look forward to getting. Outside of that, you can follow me on Instagram, the podcast at Now That's Certificial. You can follow me at Certificial_cuts. And it's your boy C Cutter. Holla at your boy. Tap in. That's what we doing. Wow.